Good morning, all. Today we'll be discussing about a new topic, and that is foreign collaboration. Now, what is a foreign collaboration? As the name suggests, a relationship of a domestic company with a foreign company is called as a foreign collaboration. Or we can explain it as a relationship with a company which is there in the home country with a company which is in another country for investment of fund or for doing certain production activities or for selling the products in different countries. സോ ഫോറിൻ കൊളാബറേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം ഏതൊരു കാര്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയും ആകാം. മേ ബി ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെൻറ്റിന് വേണ്ടിയാകാം, അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടെക്നോളജി യൂസിന് വേണ്ടിയാകാം, അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ സ്റ്റേജസിന് വേണ്ടിയാകാം, അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാർക്കറ്റിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടിയാകാം. സോ foreign collaboration is nothing but the relationship between company which is in the home country with the company which is in another country. Now the next thing we are going to see is what are the advantages of this foreign collaboration. The first and foremost advantage of foreign collaboration is developing indigenous production of components and spare parts. So ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ സ്ലൈഡിൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, foreign collaboration can be for investment of fund or for using technology which is there abroad. So for example, ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളൊരു ഇല്ലാത്തൊരു ടെക്നോളജി, if you are having a foreign collaboration with a company which is situated in US, then we can use the technology which exists there for the production of our products. നമ്മുടെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൻ്റെ പ്രൊഡക്ഷന് വേണ്ടി നമുക്ക് യു എസിലുള്ള ഒരു ടെക്നോളജി നമുക്ക് വേണമെങ്കിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി സോൾഡ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ ഓൾസോ. So for developing indigenous components and spare parts, we can have a foreign collaboration with a business which is situated abroad. Second is the fostering of cultural changes with respect to work ethos and attitude towards discipline. So if there is a foreign collaboration, then we can create a new culture for our organization. We can create a new culture for our business. We can have a work ethos with the workers, with the employees in the organization. Third is improving the competitive ability for domestic and export marketing. Since we are having a support from a company which is there abroad, we can increase our chances of business growth in a foreign country and the domestic country also. Fourth is developing the brand image of product more quickly. The brand image can be grown very quickly because we are having a support from other company also. Then deriving the benefits of import substitution and increasing foreign exchange. Again the same thing, since we are having a company which is situated, which is functioning in a foreign country, we can do foreign marketing more easily and probably enlarging the scale of operation and reducing the cost of production. The cost of production will be reduced when more number of units is produced. These are the advantages a company will be getting if it has a collaboration with a foreign company.